All right, so there's a bit of a blizzard out today and there's about a foot of snow on our property. So naturally, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to check out the new CFmoto Cforce 110 Kids Quad and see how that thing can handle in the snow. Let's check this thing out. This is a brand new machine from CFmoto. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm talking about this guy right here. Look at that beautiful machine. I'm gonna see how that thing handles in a foot of snow.